Hi, and welcome back to Smarter This Summer. Thanks for joining us today. We talked before about the cooking videos and how much we love them, so please keep sending those in. One, I love to watch cooking videos and think of new things to eat. But two, everybody seems to have a different take on what you can learn from it. So we're super excited to keep getting those. Don't ever think that there's too much. Everyone has something to offer, so please keep sending those in. Today's video, though, comes from Kimball. And she is the voice of Healthy Kids Cooking, working to restore the health of our young generation, one kitchen at a time. She is a cookbook author, stress mastery educator, and a regular TV contributor who has shared her journey to real food and natural living for 10 years at Kitchen Stewardship. That's a blog that helps families stay healthy without going crazy. That's helpful. She has 4 children, and she created the Kids Cook Real Food e-course to help you teach your kids to cook, build family connection in the kitchen, and supercharge kids' confidence and creativity. Let's watch Katie's video on cooking and see what tips she has to offer us today.
Hey, Katie Kimball here from Kids Cook Real Food. I'm actually speaking to you from the heat of Texas, although I myself am from Michigan. My family and I are actually on week 4 of a 6-week road trip around the country. That's how we're making the world our classroom this summer. And I know that that's important to you too, to keep your kids learning, to resist that summer slide where they kind of lose all their academic abilities. But I also get that you might not want to get out the workbooks and make them sit down at a table and do like exceptionally academic stuff. So that's what we're doing. Our kids are learning about interacting with people and science by, walking up a mountain, and history by going to Abe Lincoln's birthplace. But we're not, admittedly, not doing a ton of writing or reading this summer, but I still think that they're doing amazing learning. For my job, I'm actually a cooking teacher. I bring cooking and real food into the homes of families around the world through our online cooking class at Kids Cook Real Food. And that's what I want to challenge you to do today, is to use your kitchen as a classroom this summer to keep your kids learning up. Work in the kitchen not only can build skills like numbers, working with fractions, reading recipes, but we've found in the last 4 years, working with over 8,000 families throughout the world, that the best benefits of cooking are that connection among families in the kitchen, building confidence in the kids as they do real authentic work and feeding other people, and the creativity, making something with your hands that is so lacking in this digital age, teachers tell us. So I really want to see your kids get in the kitchen this summer and build authentic skills. Again, we notice that confidence is something huge that we see kids build in the kitchen. And I found that in my own family too. Like, I started teaching my kids to cook because I wanted them to be responsible. I wanted them to have life skills. I wanted a little help in the kitchen because I have 4 kids and I was getting overwhelmed. And what happened was that these amazing benefits began to build and then spill out into other areas of life. So again, we see that kids build confidence when they learn authentic kitchen skills. And my daughter just finished 5th grade. She's a little shy, she's a little reserved, not really the one that I would anticipate running for class officer. But that's what she did at the beginning of 5th grade. And she was super into it. She did the speech, she wrote notes and put them on every kid's desk. And she was like incredibly motivated. And I really believe that that confidence that she felt in just being able to apply for class officer was a result of the responsibility that she has in the home and that feeling of being able to feed the family and feeling so good about that. Now, she didn't win because the kid who gave everybody candy did win. And as a real food enthusiast, I have some things to say about that, but that's another story for another time. This summer, I really want to make it easy for you to get your kids into the kitchen, learning skills. I'm going to take all the thinking out of it for you because I want to give you our knife skills and safety lesson. It's a 10-minute video. My kids are in the video, their friends are in the video, so that's really motivating for your kids to see other kids working in the kitchen and, eating like actual vegetables. Added bonus of your kids working with food. They're more likely to try new things. But we will show you from ages 2 to 12 how to hold the knife in 4 different ways and hold the food in 3 different ways so that your kids will have a whole new vocabulary to use and a brand new skill set. Bonus for you is that once they know how to cut up fruits and vegetables, they can help you every single day prepare snacks and save you time on meals. So that's a super duper benefit, as well as the confidence that you'll see being built to reduce that summer slide. Now, you can find that free video at kidscookrealfood.com/kitchen confidence. I will see you there, and I'm so excited to hear about how your kids build confidence in the kitchen this summer when you make the kitchen your classroom. I'm Katie Kimball from Kids Cook Real Food, excited to build connection, confidence, and creativity for your family. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Katie. That brought out even more good tips on cooking with your kids at home. Thanks for focusing on their nutrition and all that kind of good stuff as well. We really like that and are big advocates of a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for joining us today at Smarter This Summer. Be sure to tag us on social media and share on your social media, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and all those kind of fabulous things with the hashtag Smarter This Summer so we can find you. If you like this video, please send it to a friend. All they have to do is follow the link and we'll get them started on watching as well. I'm Liz Weaver from Learning Success, and in case nobody's told you yet today, thank you for being an astonishing parent, for showing up and embracing your child's brilliance and unleashing their potential. I'll see you in the next video.